Hello again mga pa-edit. So nandito na tayo sa last episode ng ating VFX breakdown for our AI animation project, The Cooking Farmer. Very simple lang tong last one ko. Is naglagay na ako na moving grass here. Maniwala kayo sa hindi, this still is 2D. I first made a grass template. Ang templates ko dito is nag-download tayo na flat na moving grass from YouTube. Hinimay ko siya to different layers. Hindi ko nakalagyan ng floor dahil tinatakpan na siya ng ating grasses. O, diba? Siguro ito na yung pinaka-complicated dito. Pero the rest is I've already shared with you guys yung layers natin and adding moving things using displacement maps and fractal verses. And then I puppeted this farmer guy. Tapos color correct, compositing, add ng konting blur. So that's about it for our last episode. Salamat sa inyong pakikinig at participate sa comment section. Bye!